right. It is now. The time is now. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from South Korea packaged for the US market. This is Jongga! And they're hot and spicy noodle, ladies and gentlemen. And how the heck are you doing today? It's 9 a.m. here in beautiful, cloudy, excuse me, Kenmore, Washington. It's a Wednesday, and we're looking at the possibility of thunderstorms, which thrills me like you don't even know. We got, check those noodles out. I've never seen this style of noodle from anywhere but South Korea. I don't know if they're just regular wheat noodles that are extruded. I always thought they were rice noodles, and then I came to realize that they are not. Smells spicy. Gotta remember not to throw away the bowl, because I have to scan it with my scanner. But yeah, crazy business lately. There's that whole thing. I'm so curious because I'm like a really big fan of politics, which you know, and a lot of you don't like listening to me jabber on about politics, but I'm sorry, it's my thing, it's my show, and I'm gonna do it anyways. So 4 minutes. But you know, if you don't agree with me, I'm cool with that. I'm not going to go hunt you down. I'm not going to go on some kind of... I don't know, the big thing lately has been this whole Christian nationalism. And it's like, ugh, that doesn't... What was it? And then there was I get all these political emails from conservatives. I'm not a conservative. The more it goes on, I wouldn't say that I'm a Democrat. I'm really ultra liberal, but on certain things it's just like, oh come on, you know. Some of the liberal stuff gets way too hippy dippy for me. Just like, yeah. But anyways, yeah, the whole there's this what is it called, Gab. It's like a platform, and they met, and I think it was on that or somewhere, but they said like, new conservatism is not a movement that is open to Jews or non-Christians. It's like, whoa. way to invite everybody to the party there, guys, you know. I would think you would attract more flies with honey than vinegar or that. I don't know. that's less than vinegar. That's more like, flies do like, they do like feces, so maybe that's what they're trying to do. But I don't know. It's December for you. Will there be a Christmas this year, Margaret? I don't know. But being a non-believer, a heathen, a bad person, I don't know. I might be rounded up and put into some kind of cage for religious Christian right reprogramming by that point. I hope not. The show will definitely change. You'll see a change if I've been reprogrammed into not being an atheist. But no, I think, while I'm an atheist, I think the world would be horrible if it didn't have people with diverse philosophies and religions and stuff like that. Granted, a lot of them, I believe, have caused a lot of turmoil and chaos with humans, but yeah, I think it makes things more interesting. If everybody was the same, believed the same thing, and everything worked perfectly, boy, what a boring place that would be. I still like the whole Star Trek thing in, what is it, Star Trek First Contact, and a chick from like 2025 is standing on the bridge or looking out a window, and Picard says something like that. I think that's the year. I'm probably wrong. Probably like 21, 25. Anyway, Yeah, he says something like, "Oh, the gathering of material possessions is no longer the guiding force in our lives." And it's just like, wow. You mean people don't get paid? People don't want stuff? People don't care about that anymore? It's like, how would you do that? What kind of thing would have to happen to so drastically change society that people were less interested in the accumulation of stuff and feeling good about having all this stuff? What would have to happen for that? I would think it'd be something cataclysmic. I was thinking about it. We were yammering about it last night while I was making some dinner, and it's just like, it would have to be bad. Almost when you think about it, it's like, why wouldn't COVID have done that? Why did that like divide everybody when it could have brought people together? It's like, because everybody had the same problem. Nobody wanted that. But what do you do? People are people. They do silly things. But one thing's for sure, everybody likes a nice meal. Those that don't. I don't know who they are. If you don't like to eat food and never do it, drop me a line. Share some tips and tricks on existing without nourishment. Alright, so here is our noodle. These noodles are interesting. They're generally not so bad. They're kind of soft. Come on, get on there, get on there. I know, I'm using a fork. Cheers. Soft noodle, spicy. Here, come on over. Come to my place. There's our broth. A little bit of a fishiness. Nice bit of heat. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I like. It's good. I'm gonna go with this one. You may have a differing opinion on which vessel to use today, but I'm using this one. So there's that. And I can't get rid of this. I need to do this because I have to cut it. So let's come on over. Welcome to the social. Did you guys ever have one of those? Microsoft made an MP3 player called a Zune, and you turned it on and it said, "Welcome to the social." What? That came out good, dry. I'm going with chicken again. I don't know, I like making this chicken. It's fun. And it comes out really good. It literally is just cooking spray, Peruvian seasoning, cumin, and paprika. I like how the color comes out. And the taste is just wonderful. You'll love it. You'll love it. You'll eat it every day. You'll name your children after me because of it. No, don't do that. Maybe I should do an episode about names. Or where I yammer about it while things steep. I could. I can do anything. I can do anything I want. I don't know that I want to do that. What I do want is some Narutomaki, and I don't have any of that. Ouch. Ouch. I know this is about as centered as Is it? Oh, that's not bad. Wow. See? I just have to do the opposite. It's like when I try to open the bags at the grocery store. I always try to open the wrong end first. That's just my thing. Nah. Do it, do it. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. I hope you're having a wonderful, splendid day. And what did the guy who was trying to sell me 500,000 likes on YouTube? He was like, I was like, oh, yeah, please promote me. That'd be great. Here's my offer, and then all these charges and costs. I'm like, oh, I thought you were just being nice. Okay, well, never mind. I don't want to pay for that. He's like, all right, sir, don't have a good day. Have a great day. And the next episode is going to be King David beef flavor non-fried noodles from China. The chicken one was really good, so I'm really excited about this one. And, yeah, they do private label stuff. So they said something interesting. Like, I don't know. But it'd be cool to have my own noodle. I always wanted to do that. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.